guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful paper lantern and with the use of vellum sheet and how to create these beautiful paper flowers. How pretty they are, and with a very easy and simple technique I will show you. And of course festive season is coming, so this lantern is very quick and very easily we can make this. I have used here LED tea light candle. See how pretty it is looking, isn't it? And I'm sure you want to know how I created this, so I made this tutorial. And see its beauty in the dark. So let's get started with the tutorial. For base I have taken MDF and chalk paint from Imex. So first of all I will cover this MDF base completely with this chalk paint with the help of sponge. I use a sponge because it gives a very good look and it covers the area very quickly and without any patches. It covers the entire area. So cover this MDF completely with back and sides also to give it a perfect look. Then after completing I have taken a round circle from a cardboard that base leftovers from the foil. So I have cut a small ring to give it support to our vellum. So I have also covered this completely with the help of chalk paint like this. Now the coloring part is over. What I have done is I have decided to fix it in the center. So I fix it with the help of fabric glue. It's my favorite glue. I use this glue only for any art and craft work. So I have decided to fix it in the center and let it dry completely. Okay. And so for the top part what I have done, I have taken this die cut from Dress My Craft and place it at equal intervals, and then I have fixed it on the vellum sheet properly with the perfect use of glue. Okay, so let's fix on the vellum sheet. For the measurements and the material which I have used, I will surely give all the details in the description, so don't worry about that. Now see, I am fixing it on the base which I have taken from vellum sheet. For fixing, burnish it properly so that all the edges fix on the base very perfectly. Now after fixing, yeah, see, just I am fixing each and every corner, and then I have die cut a small tiny flower to give it to enhance this. So I am fixing that also. You can use anything at this place. Okay, yeah. Now after complete fixing, it's time to glue it around the circle which we have placed in center using cardboard round. So I am fixing just like this, and again it's time to glue it. You can also use here glue gun if you are interested to fix it. Now it's dry and it's time to decorate. So I have used here ball chains, and just I have decided to make 2-3 rounds of ball chains, and then I will use stone chain also. So start and fix ball chains as shown, as I am showing you. Now for making flowers, I have used here die cuts, that is from Dress My Craft, and archival inks to give it. Archival inks are permanent inks which gives a good hue to flowers, and I have used here sponge to do coloring part. So it's very easy, guys. I have decided to do center as green and edges with the vermilion color, and I have only decided to color the edges of the flower. So cover the entire all the layers with the method I am showing you. I have taken here two big flower size and one small size. So cover it like this. Now for processing, I will give it a good splash of water. Then remove the excess water with the help of napkin, or you can also use here tissue. Yeah. And then I have taken embossing pad to shape it out, and mini groove tool from Dress My Craft, and start shaping as I am showing you. First of all, I will break the vents of the paper. Then after doing all the petals like this, then I will again shape it properly. So do as I am showing for all the 3 layers. I am mostly covering here and there with the help of this tool. I am making lines, and with a very little pressure I am doing this. Okay, then I will make a single line in between all the petals, and with a good amount of pressure to give it a perfect and a natural look. After that, I will make a cup in the center with the help of ball tool. Repeat the process with all the 3 layers. Yes. Completed with this process, and now time to make the flower. For making flower, I will assemble layer on top of layer with the help of glue. And one thing to keep in mind is that fix the layer in such a way that each petal comes in alternate way. It gives very natural and a good volume to your flower. Okay, like this. Let it dry. Then I have decided to make flower center with the help of mini micro beads, and for that I place small amount of glue in between and then pour the beads on it and then remove the leftover beads, so it makes a good flower center. Let it dry. Yes, I make the flowers, 2-3 flowers for the arrangement, and then it's time to make leaves. Same process, just do how I am showing in this video. Same process which I have used, but only difference is of the giving shape. Okay. Now it's time to assemble our flowers and leaves on the base. So I have just decided to cover the circle with flower. So just do as I show you in the video, or also if you want to do any other settlement, then it's all your choice. So start placing the flower on the base with the help of glue, or if you want then glue gun. Now it's completely dry. Then I have decided to do small punches at equal intervals on the top so that light flashes it out. And also if you want to make it a hanging lantern, then you can tie a string on it. Yeah, thanks for watching it, and it's the final look of my project.